Mini Test 20. You're going to hear a conversation between a man and a woman about some local stores. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 16. Now listen to the first part of the conversation and answer questions 11 to 16. Hi, Miss Fisher. How's your new house? Did you move everything in already? It's really great to finally have someone living there.
Oh, yes, the house is great, thanks. I'm surprised that it was on the market for such a long time. I think my friend and I are really going to like living here.
That's great to hear. Did you get a chance to explore the local area a bit? We have quite a few interesting sights to see around here.
Yeah, I drove around a bit after eating lunch. Actually, there is something I wanted to ask you about, Mr. Hugh. You see, my friend is a vegan. Myself, I'm mostly a vegetarian, but I do eat fish sometimes. Actually, maybe a few times a year I will also have pork, but that's only on special occasions. I was wondering what sort of places I could get groceries at.
I see. Well, there is certainly a wide range of places in our area. I guess I'll tell you about different kinds, and then you can go to the one that works best for you and your friend. There are two types of places that you can buy food at around here. One type is a farmer's market. At that kind of market, local farmers bring in their food and interact directly with the customers. Their food is very fresh, of course, since it comes directly from local area farms. There are also some big box stores that are accessible by car. These supermarkets sell a whole range of goods from processed foods to fruits and vegetables. Unlike the farmers' markets, they also sell everyday necessities, like kitchen utensils and cleaning supplies. I really recommend you go there by car, since many of the items are best bought in bulk size. Buying in bulk makes a lot of sense for non-perishable goods that you buy regularly, like soap or toilet paper. Though, you will need to set aside some space to store all those items. Other goods can still be bought in bulk if they last a long time. Things like frozen juice or hard cheeses keep well for a relatively long time. So both the farmer's market and the big box stores might have stuff that you need. There are two big box stores. One of them is called Power Mart. I go there just for non-food items. Their produce is quite cheap, but the quality is not very good. The other big box store is called Whole Nourishment. They specialize in organic products from all over the country. Since they have to bring them in from long distances, they're not the greenest company, but they have the best selection of any place around here. They will definitely have lots of products for vegans and vegetarians. Unfortunately, Whole Nourishment is also very, very expensive. Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 17 to 20. Now listen and answer questions 17 to 20. Let's see, Miss Fisher. I know you and your friend are young and that's good. Nutritious food is expensive. There is another option for you both called the Fifth Street Food Co-op. If you have the time, the co-op can provide healthy food for you at an affordable price. I'll tell you a little bit about how it works. Co-op is short for the word cooperative. It is smaller than the big box stores, but offers a wider range of products than the farmers' markets. They offer only organic products, most of which are produced locally. Some kinds of food, like different cheeses or spices, are imported from other countries. There is one major difference between the co-op and other places to shop for food. The quality of the produce is comparable to Whole Nourishment, but the prices are lower because the store is run almost entirely by volunteer staff. Volunteers are all people who sign up for membership in the co-op. They are always looking for more members who actually get a discount for working there. Volunteering for just 2 hours a week will give you a 15% discount on all goods in the store. Volunteer 2 hours a week for more than a month, and this discount goes up 5% for a total of 20% off all your purchases there. You have to be a resident of the city, though, to be a member. After proving you have lived in the city for more than a month, you and your friend can sign up for the co-op membership. The person who started the co-op, Mohammed Mitchell, is really friendly. He knows a lot about running a good market and building communities around local institutions.
Wow, Mr. Hugh, that's really great information. I really appreciate all your help. We were worried about where to go for groceries. Would you like to go with us sometimes?
Oh yes, that would be really good. I'll give you my mobile number. Please give me a ring sometime.
Yes, after we get settled in, I'll certainly do so.